To make a video from Google Gemini, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to make a video of Google Gemini. Now, if you want to generate a video from Google Gemini, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi kind of data. And after that, you just need to open Google Gemini, and also make sure that you have downloaded the Google Gemini app from Play Store or App Store. So after opening the Google Gemini, make sure that you are also logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you won't be able to generate the video. So from here, click on the option plus like this, and while generating the video, so if you want to generate a video, simply give a prompt saying I want a video on a related topic. So simply write a prompt like this and simply tap on the option of arrow at the very right of the screen, and after a few moments the Google Gemini will generate the video for you. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to make a video on Google Gemini. So that's it, that's how you can generate a video from Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.